And we have read in the newspapers, CM saying, oh, after 1 month it's going to start. After 15 days it's going to start. After 20 days one is going to start. The thing has still not started. It's the backbone of Goan economy. I met the minister and recently I wrote a letter to Prime Minister. Here's the letter. Saying that please intervene and restart mining. We should not forget, the government should not forget that if he is coming close, and people who before came to Goa, they always went back saying one thing, Goa roads are good. Today, let them not curse Goa for their bad roads. I hope they do it before Diwali. And I beg of them not to wait till Christmas. Because this government is only depending on assurances, nothing more. Coastal zone management plan. Make a study, then implement. Don't look like a shopkeeper. He go on increasing, decreasing. You are a government. Same thing is happening in coastal zone management plan. Have a survey and allow people, give them licenses to extract sand. So that the prices of sand, they are already skyrocketing. One thing we should know, any prices that go up, they never come down.
इतले मजगती फोंडकुला पडिल्ल्या बाबद रस्त्यांखातीर अधिकाऱ्यांचेर शॅडो काउन्सिलान फोग काढलो.
On account of the substandard work that was executed, today the roads are in this condition. Somehow that file also was not available in the office. Some engineer has taken it at home. This is what the assistant engineer has very openly told us. So we want that these roads have to be restored properly at the cost of the same contractor. Because it has become a fashion today. Margao roads, year after year, hot mix layers are being put at the cost of our public exchequer. आम्ही हेवूय आयकता की कोर्टान हें दितात की बाय न्यू इयर जातलें म्हण. पयर आमी जेन्ना इंजिनियरा बरोबर गेल्ले तो सांगता नोव्हेंबरा उपरांत हॉट मिक्स घालतात म्हण. सो नोव्हेंबर पासून रावपाच्या लोकांनी हिंग पडपाचें सगळो ह्या फोंडान. सो तेजेर आमी तेका लागून आमी हायलायट करता की जाता तितले बेगीन हें जावपा जाय. कित्याक लोक हिंग पडोवन मरपर्यंत हें टॉलरेट जावपा ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.